Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tablet and opening settings right away. First, unlock the device and go to the Settings app. Don't waste time navigating menus randomly. Once in Settings, use the search bar and type Assistant or Open Apps to find Google. Make sure you are signed into the Google account tied to the Assistant so changes apply. This first step locates the Control Center. It ensures you are changing the correct app settings and not device-level options, which matters for persistence. Next, navigate into the Google or Assistant settings and focus on disabling the feature. Tap the Google App Entry or the Assistant Settings item, then follow Settings, Google Assistant, and open the General tab. You will see the toggle labeled Google Assistant. Turn it off. If a confirmation appears, accept it. This prevents the assistant from responding to voice or holding home. Once done, also check voice match and keyboard shortcuts to remove residual triggers so the assistant stays inactive. To finish, restart the tablet so system processes update and the change takes effect. After reboot, test by saying the hot word or long pressing home. There should be no response. If assistant reappears, open Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Google, then clear app data or uninstall updates. That resets persistent settings. Also disable voice match under voice settings since it can re-enable triggers. If problems continue, remove the Google account temporarily, reconfigure, and then keep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.